Hey everyone, here's Mr. Ron, and I'm going to talk to you today about deep breathing. A lot of you guys, when we're watching the video, Just Breathe, had questions of how come the deep breathing works and helps you calm down. So I think that's a great question. So today, we're going to answer that question. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you guys so you can see this. Okay, so really simple. When we get frustrated, like you see my little picture here, there's a lot of different ways that you can calm down. But one that really helps is deep breathing. When we do deep breathing, it's not like, right? And it's not taking like shallow breath. It's usually taking like long breaths, right? So we inhale and then exhale. Okay. Some of you guys might know that whenever we're inhaling something, we're bringing oxygen into our bodies, right? Oxygen is all around. So we need oxygen to be able to just be alive. Our brain really needs a lot of oxygen. So here is the molecule for oxygen. You guys will learn so much about this when you get to high school. It's O2. So when we're doing deep breathing, we're bringing a lot of that oxygen that we need to be able to kind of like feed our brain, right? So we're gonna do a deep breathing like this. We're bringing a lot of oxygen, right? Because we're inhaling a lot of air. And then we're releasing a molecule called carbon dioxide. And that is another molecule that has oxygen in it. But this is super important, the fact that we're bringing a lot of oxygen into our brain whenever we're doing the deep breathing. But then there's also another thing that is super important that also helps us really be able to calm down. And that is called endorphins. So endorphins is a hormone that we already have in our brain and in our body. And this hormone helps us calm down and relax. So oxygen, the oxygen that we breathe, plus the endorphins that our brain is creating, equals us being able to be calm. So again, we're taking oxygen from the air. Our brain starts creating those endorphins, and endorphins helps us calm down. So it's all about biology. It's all about what our body already has in it. Our body definitely wants us to calm down. Our body doesn't like to feel frustrated or angry or stressed or anxious. Our body wants us to feel calm. So that's why we have these two really awesome things already in our body that helps us get to this place or be calm. Okay, so this is not just like, oh, I'm gonna breathe and then hope for it to pass. It's actually something that our body wants to do, and there's things that are already in our body and our brain to make it happen. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions. And whenever, and I'm gonna remind you again, when you are frustrated, angry, desperate, depressed, stressed, anxious, whatever it is, if you breathe really deeply and breathe a few times, you will calm down. It's in your body, it's in your brain. Your brain already wants to calm down. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you around. Take care.